Hey Pete, can you talk me through the aluminium uninsulated flex, please?
Yeah, okay, so this is a basic aluminium material with it's got a polyester laminated coating on it. There's a wire helix which keeps the strength and rigidity. It's quite a strong, even though it's quite often referred to as like a tinfoil material. It's fit for purpose. It's able to withstand like 2,500 pascals of pressure. Okay. Comes in 10 metre lengths, which is compressed into these handy boxes, which are 500mm long. Size-wise, it comes from 80mm to 610mm. Mm-hmm. We stock the 80mm to the 400mm, and the bigger sizes are available on request. Particularly that popular. So it can be fitted to round or oval ducting. It's quite easily reshaped to fit around the oval ducting and clamped on with worm dry post clamps. Very easily worked, very easily cut with a pair of tin snips, Stanley knife. As we said, suitable for low and medium pressure, either air input or extract systems.
And it can be indoors, outdoors?
Yeah, it's predominantly for indoors systems. If the combi flex, which we've got here, it's slightly more durable because it's got a PVC coating on, more relevant for external, and it's slightly more durable. And there's a slightly higher pressure for 3,000 pascals. Okay. So the low, medium and high pressure HVAC systems, or air conditioning, ventilation.
If you were putting cold air through, is there an insulated version? Is there?
Yeah, so with the basic aluminium uninsulated, there are versions of insulated. So it has the same product in the middle, mm-hmm. and then there's a wrap of insulation, and then an outer body of aluminium flex, aluminium material also. And these can be either for acoustic purposes, or as you said, for thermal insulation, either keep heat out, in, cold out or in, mm-hmm. For whatever the purpose it's being used for.
Is there any fire hazards or anything with it?
So it is tested to BS 476, which might mean a great deal to you, but so it basically means that in the event of the fire that no toxic gases are emitted, and that's what it's been tested to, so safe in that instance.
Perfect.